Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin because it is making some very big moves. I also want to talk about some altcoins because there's some interesting things happening in the market that we need to talk about. So, without further ado, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $53,245. It is getting closer and closer. It's having some wicks trying to break above that $54,000 price level. Very interesting to see, guys, seeing this next leg up happen before our eyes, potentially. Ethereum kind of was the coin that was leading the charge here, trading above $3,100, and we're continuing to see this stair step up. Maybe we get that price target of $3,200 to $3,400. That's kind of been where my price target has been for Ethereum for the past few weeks, has been as it was lagging behind. 3,400 is kind of where I think where we will stall out at, or kind of get a move to the downside, a bounce off that. Just test it as some sort of resistance, 3,400. That's kind of the target that I'm looking at. But all in all here, guys, Bitcoin dominance coming down 50.98%. But that being said, when you exclude stablecoins, we're trading about 53%, down ever so slightly. I do expect this to increase, especially if we get this next little leg up, testing $54,000 on Bitcoin. Guys, right now, we had those daily candle closes above $51,000 on the daily and also on the weekly. So very important to see that. And that kind of, in my opinion, was where we need to be looking out for, this level of 51,000. If we were to see a daily candle closure below it, I was expecting, okay, we're probably going to come down and test this 45,000. That was a price target that I was looking at, that was on the table. But I was saying that if we get those daily and weekly candle closes above 51,000, well, I think the next step here is probably testing 55, 57,000, and we're seeing that happen right now. The real question is, do we see continuation? Do we see it go to those levels, or do we see some sideways, slow price action? But in my opinion, I do think that the probability lies on the side of us touching that $55,000 to $57,000 price levels. That being the outcome, I think that there's a much higher probability that that happens than we see a spillover right now. I mean, the news in the mainstream media is very interesting, I would say. I would maybe even use the adjective of it being intriguing, because right now it is very interesting that it's very bullish, but there's not a lot of mania and euphoria. The Bitcoin spot ETFs are buying lots and lots of Bitcoin every single day. They're pulling it off of exchanges. They're pulling more Bitcoin off exchanges than the miners can make in a month's time, and they're doing that every day. It's pretty incredible to be thinking about that, especially that the Bitcoin halving is coming up right around the corner, and that will even have the amount of the Bitcoin supply. It's crazy. The Bitcoin mining rewards, the supply that the miners will be bringing to the table each month. Need to put that straight. You got to make sure you understand that. But still, very, very incredible. Very, very incredible. It's probably going to continue to go to the upside, guys. You need to be patient. I do kind of want to take a closer look here. This kind of shows the story a little bit better about how this $51,000 price level is why it's so important. We are still on it. I don't really like how that candle looks, but if we see this continuation, we see some daily candle closes above 53,000. That would be very nice to see. Daily candle closes above 53,000. I think we'll probably see this continuation play out on the daily, but we just need to stay above 51K. Stay above 51K, and the longer we do that, the more explosive the move is going to be in the long term, on the higher term time frames. Stay above 51,000, and the longer and higher we will go up. It's important to know that. I also kind of want to take a quick look at the 200-day moving average, because this is kind of, some people will call it the bull market support band. Kind of just gives you an interesting idea of where we're at here. We are definitely in bull market territory. Usually people say that when Bitcoin is above this bull market support band, which is this yellow line you can see right here, when it is above it, that indicates we're in a bull market, and that indicates, okay, the bull is on. And when we're below it, you can see when we come below it, okay, we're in bearish territory, probably going to be in a bear market. Sure, there's some outliers, like when we had this dip down here, which would indicate great buying opportunities. And I know that it doesn't seem that far, but it is large distances. And we are coming off of this bull market support band. Guys, we're in the bull market. Be patient. Lots of crazy, crazy coins are mooning, and I'm excited to talk to you about them more and more. We've been talking about them on the Crypto Report. You can see our live streams Monday through Friday in the AM, usually in the morning. Crypto Kip will be talking about lots of the coins that we're looking at. The BRC20 ecosystem, very, very incredible. Seeing some of these coins like Gus, Welsh, STX, absolutely mooning. I mean, look at STX right now, up 10% on the day. And guys, I need to reiterate here, we see Bitcoin make this move up. We see Bitcoin dominance increasing. I mean, wow, it's increased already about 0.1% since I started this video. Be patient, guys, with these altcoins. Ethereum is slowly making its way back up. Ethereum bottomed against Bitcoin, in my opinion, and I think that we're going to start making this move to the upside. Trading at $3,157. Ethereum, once Ethereum starts to trade sideways a little bit, expect these altcoins to boom. I've been talking about Solana is probably going to make a break for about $140. That's a price level I've been looking at. If you want to see some of these price predictions and some of these breakdowns of these coins, go follow me on Twitter at 333BlackC. I kind of give more of my in-depth opinion on some coins I'm looking at and why I think they're going to be making these moves. But guys, be patient right now. Be patient. Sit on your hands. It's probably more beneficial to turn your brain off right now because the market will be irrational, and it will be irrational for longer than you assume it will be. It will be tough to understand it if Bitcoin just continues to rally and come and test previous highs at $69,000. It's important to take profit along the way, but also don't overthink it, guys. When you're in a bull market, you're in a bull market. It's as simple as that. This is the time, especially if you've been buying on the way down and you've been watching our channel. We've been talking about, okay, we're in the bear market. We're buying here, guys, getting ready for the bull market. And you're exposed. Sit on your hands, take some profits as need be, but I'm riding this ride out for some time here. Until we get at least past the halving. But I think that this probably has a lot of more room to grow. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Getting so close to 15,000 subscribers. Also, like I said, please go follow me on Twitter at 333BlackC. And we also have some awesome referral links down below this video. A $4,100 sign-up bonus to Phemex. All you got to do is click the link, trade, deposit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.